In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can create a customized report that will tell you what was the bounce rate for specific pages and the pages that have higher bounce rate, how you can improve them. So inside customization, you click on custom reports, you click new custom report button. Now we're gonna rename this report title to bounce rate versus pages. Inside metric, we're gonna select bounce rate. Inside dimension, we're gonna select page. This way, when you create the report, you will know the bounce rate of the pages. We're not gonna select any filter. You can do it after that also. And inside the view, if you want to get the report for all the views associated with your Google Analytics account, you can do that. We are just gonna select the default view called all website data. We click save. So now you see that these pages have the high bounce rate. For example, the thank you page, because after people have filled the form, they don't need to stay on the page, so they close the page. That's why it has the highest bounce rate. The class schedule, this is probably from the website administrator. So you can see that search engine optimization expert training, it has a very low bounce rate. It means that people have been reading this. So everything looks good here. If you think that you have a high bounce rate over here, it could be from 50 to 75 or higher than that, then you need to work on that page. And a reason could be that the page speed is low. So what you can do is you can say speed. What you can do is you can check if the page have low speed, if the page is loading very slow, and you can do that by clicking advanced button, add dimension. One reason could be that your page have high bounce rate because the page is loading slowly. In order to know what are the pages and what is the average server response time, you edit your report by clicking the edit button. You edit the report and you add an extra metric called speed. Now we're going to select average server response time. This way you will know if why the website is loading slowly and what are the pages that have a slow average server response time. So you see the page with the high bounce rate, it didn't even calculate what was the average server response time because probably the person closed the tab right away, or the page was not loading slowly but the people that just closed it. This looks correct because it is the index page and it has the average server response time of 1.96 seconds.